Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be giving you a quick tour of Lulu Hypermarket, which is basically a big supermarket and the market that has a bunch of fruits and vegetable stalls as well as a meat and fish area. So let's go! It's really convenient to have a supermarket close by because sometimes you run out of things, you have an emergency, or suppliers bring the wrong items and you have to quickly run to the store to get something. We don't have to run too far because this supermarket is literally downstairs from us, so we can quickly just jump on the elevator and get whatever we need. I'm showing the produce section because these are some of the things that we tend to run out of and we need to quickly get because the suppliers, they have set delivery days, and also because sometimes people ask us, where do you get your supplies, or can you get Jamaican stuff in Abu Dhabi? Yes, you can get just about anything you need apart from ackee. They don't have ackee in the stores and that's why we import our own, but you can see there's cassava. You will notice as well that a lot of the produce, they are categorized by country. Where did they get these items from? So you can see Sri Lanka, you see Uganda, you see India, Oman. All the different countries are represented. You see that banana there, we call it frog banana in Jamaica, and we have ripe plantains. We tend to run out of ripe plantains, so we have to quickly come to Lulu to get it. So I really like that Lulu is just downstairs. We can pick up whatever we need. They always have a full stock of ripe plantains. Sometimes they're not too ripe. Some customers don't really like that. They want sweet ripe plantains. But yeah. Another thing that I didn't know we had here when I just moved here was callaloo, and lo and behold, there is callaloo. We put callaloo with ackee and saltfish. We have callaloo patties. So yeah. Here we have other items that are staple in the Jamaican cuisine: okra and green plantain. Now, right now we don't have okra on the menu. We had in the past okra and saltfish, but we do have plantain porridge. We have plantain chips. So it's really great that you can get fresh green plantains. If you run out, just downstairs. There's a common misconception that Jamaican food is spicy, but the main thing that's spicy is the jerk chicken, and we try our best to maintain that authentic spice kick. We can't get Scotch bonnet here, but we do have these Ugandan habaneros, which are excellent. I'm telling you, it's as close to Scotch bonnet as you get. They're amazing, and you can't tell the difference basically. Of course, Scotch bonnet has this distinct flavor, but we have our way around ensuring that our jerk chicken remains authentic. For a long time, when I just moved here, I could not find green banana, and lo and behold, I found it exactly here in this mall, and probably it's the only mall you can find green banana. Or some restaurant suppliers, you have to send them a picture of what you're looking for, and sometimes they bring ripe banana, but sometimes they get it right. But if you're looking for real green banana, you can find it here. Sometimes as well, the quality is not that great, but you make do if you really want some green banana and boiled dumplings. also really love the pumpkin. This pumpkin will make some really good soup. It's thick, it's yellow, it's dry, so you know it has all the makings of a good pumpkin soup. Another reason why I really like this supermarket is that they're always offering sale and discounts. And if you're savvy enough, you can quickly cross-check with your supplier and decide, okay, am I going to buy from the supplier this week, or I'm just going to grab this sale downstairs? And you can get a good deal and you can have quite a bit of savings if you manage to catch these sales. I'm sure these tomatoes will be on sale soon, because as you can see, the quality is not that good. There are a lot of blemishes and some going off, some really soft. So within a day or two, these might be on sale. Here we have sweet peppers, or what they call here capsicum, and in my opinion it's one of the most expensive things here, and unless it's an emergency we try as best as possible to avoid purchasing sweet peppers at the supermarket. For something so light and basic, it tends to get expensive, especially the red and the yellow ones. Like the green ones, they're always on the lower side, but the red and the yellow ones, oh my gosh. But you see today they have a sale, so say we needed it, this would be a good time to get some. But yeah. Here we have a little bulk section with onion bags and potato bags. Sometimes these are on sale for a really good deal, so it makes sense when you cross-check with your supplier prices. It makes sense to just get it from here, and it's like 5 kg, 10 kg, 15 kg like that, and for a really good deal, it makes sense to just get it from here. That was Lulu Hypermarket. Now let's check out the market, and we'll first go to the meat section, and then we'll go and check out the fish and vegetable section. Let's go. Here we are in the meat market, and you can see there are so many shops to choose from. There are shops that you can get your wagyu, you can get your aged steak, premium meat, you can get eggs, chicken, oxtail, whatever it is. You can choose whichever shop you want to patronize. One of the first things you learn when you come to the UAE is that always bargain. Always, what we call in Jamaica, ball down the price. And what's so interesting is that these vendors are always ready to negotiate, always ready to give you a deal, and I love that. Now we're in the vegetable market, and they carry some of the same items that I showed earlier, but these guys are pretty hands-on. They're nice, they're always ready to give you a deal, and I sometimes shop at Delmont. These guys are really great. They're very helpful, very friendly, very nice guys. So if you're ever looking for a deal, just head out to Dalmon and the shop right next to it, and these guys will sort you out. They have really fresh produce, the best prices, and they will help you with whatever you need. Just ask. Now let's head over to the fish market, and in the fish market you're going to have some real seafood craving. When I tell you, the shrimp looks so succulent and juicy and fresh, and the fish, everything is just top tier here at the fish market. Now we don't have seafood on our menu, but I definitely shop here for my fish, any seafood needs. I definitely come to the fish market when I need some fresh fish. We usually buy like tilapia or snapper when they do have it, the shrimp, jumbo shrimp. I've only bought lobster here once for a birthday dinner, but it was really good. I'm telling you, the shrimp, excellent. The fish, excellent. I just made some new friends. I can't stress enough how friendly, helpful, and nice these vendors are. Trust me, you're sure to get a bargain when you come to the market. That's it guys. If you like this video, please subscribe and tell others about this channel. It really helps a lot. Thank you so much. Until next time.